welcome to Circle. First of all, let me introduce the team. My name is Nuno Gama, and together with Bruno, we are both researchers at University of Aveiro, and we have a combined 25 years of experience on polymer recycling, sustainability, and circular economy. And this experience was achieved through research projects, all of them in collaboration with companies. And what brings us here is the cork industry. Cork is a very Portuguese thing, is used mainly to produce bottle stoppers, but nowadays cork is used everywhere. It is used to produce shoes, umbrellas, bags, and of course thermoinsulation materials. And to produce these materials, cork is combined with a resin, which is basically a glue, and this mixture is hot pressed to produce these cork products. In terms of mass, this resin can account up to 10%, but in terms of cost, it's much, much higher. Furthermore, these resins are mainly derived from petroleum feedstocks. They can be toxic. So yeah, there's a need to move through more sustainable materials, more safe materials, and cheaper materials. And we found a solution to this in the polyurethane sector. Polyurethanes are mainly used as foams that we use in our car seats, in our pillows, in our mattress. And when these foam producers produce these foams, they produce these giant blocks, which in the end they have to be cut and trimmed, and these leftovers are scraps. It represents more or less 20% of the total volume of the foam. Considering that 25 million tons of polyurethane foams are produced every year, this represents more or less 5 million tons of plastic waste, which is landfilled, incinerated, or used in very low-value applications. So what our technology does is basically a proprietary process that transforms this plastic waste into a binder. So our product is a recycled binder, which is sustainable, it is cost-effective, and it has similar bonding performance when compared with conventional resins. Furthermore, when cork composite manufacturers use our product, they don't need to change anything in their process, so they use the same process and the same equipment. The market for these resins in Portugal is more or less 30 million euros per year. In the world is 50 million per year. Our competitors, of course, are the big chemical producers like Dow, BASF, Bayer. We have similar bonding performance to these alternatives, but in opposition to them, our material combines low toxicity, low price, and it is sustainable. Our business model, what we are going to do is basically we are going to implement our process unities in the foam manufacturers' facilities. So we are going to convert there inside the foam residues into our binder, which then we are going to ship them to our customers. We are going to be in the market in 2 years. We are finalizing our lab scale tests. Later this year, we are going to scale up into pilot scale. Next year, we are going to start the industrial validation and then the commercialization. Since our material, our process is very, very cheap, we are going to be cash flow positive right in the first year, and after that, our cash flow will skyrocket. Here we are focusing the application of this binder into cork sector because cork is a good sector to gain traction. We have close connection with the cork business, and cork, of course, is a very Portuguese thing. But we are testing as well in other applications, for example, for the MDF and particle boards, which the sector is way, way bigger. So to sum up, in opposition to conventional binders, which can be toxic, they are derived from petroleum feedstocks and their cost can be a little bit higher. Our technology, our product is sustainable. It has similar bonding performance to these alternatives. Our customers don't need to change anything in their process. They can use the same equipment. And yeah, our materials is way, way cheaper. So thank you for your attention.